Have you ever noticed that when you're stressed or angry for days on end, you're more likely to catch a cold, feel run down, or even get weird aches and pains? That's not just in your head, that's science. And let's talk about how unprocessed emotions can actually keep your immune system switched on like a faulty light, and how releasing them can literally help your body heal. When you feel a strong emotion, anger, grief, fear, your brain activates a stress pathway called the HPA axis. Your hypothalamus tells your pituitary gland to release ACTH. That tells your adrenal glands to release cortisol, your stress hormone. This is great short term. It helps you survive danger, stay alert, and keep energy flowing to your muscles. And here's the problem. If the emotion doesn't resolve, your body keeps that stress switch turned on, and your immune system starts firing off inflammatory signals, cytokines, as if it needs to fight an infection that isn't there. When you hold anger or grief in, your immune system thinks there's a threat it needs to keep fighting. That means inflammation stays high, which is linked to fatigue, brain fog, digestive issues, heart problems, and even depression. When you release that emotion safely, your brain signals to your immune systems, we're safe now. Inflammation drops, your body starts to heal. This is psychoneuroimmunology in action, the science of how your mind and immune system talk to each other. This is where emotional release techniques come in. They help you recognize the emotion you're holding, feel it safely without getting stuck in it, release it from the loop in your body, and that release isn't just psychological. It sends a message to your whole system that the threat is over. Studies on mindfulness, trauma therapy, and even expressive writing show that when we process emotions, inflammation markers in the blood actually go down. You don't have to stay in a cycle of stress and inflammation. Your emotions are not your enemy. They're signals. And when you learn to work with them rather than fight them, you can support your immune system, your brain, and your body to work together. Try this today. Take 5 minutes. Sit quietly and ask yourself, what emotion am I holding right now? Even naming it can start the process of turning down that stress response. Your emotional health is your physical health. When you release what's stuck inside, you're not just feeling better, you're literally helping your body heal. That's not woo-woo, that's neuroscience.